Is there a story maybe you could tell around how the combination of NetSuite and SourceDay have helped keep your teams in sync? I don't know if there's like a customer situation where you're able to be a hero with a customer or something like that that you might.
I think that happens daily almost. Not even almost. It happens daily. But when I think of SourceDay, two words come to mind, and it's communication and accountability. We're able to very easily communicate with the suppliers, but not only that, they're able to communicate back to us very easily. Anybody can go in, check where a PO stands, where an order is. If it's going to be late, we know that early. That's extremely valuable information to have in any business, and I think we've hit on that pretty much this entire time. But the other side of it is really the accountability. You get it, you know easily where the ball stands. You know, whose court is it in? Before, you know, there's a lot of times when, you know, the suppliers thought they were waiting on us. We thought we were waiting on the supplier. We weren't sure kind of where things were. But you know, it would take like 3 extra emails to figure it out just on one PO, maybe sometimes one part number, just wasting a lot of time on, you know, a very inexpensive part where and now, go ahead.
And those situations damage the relationship, right? They break trust. You end up with she said, and you know, it's not good for anybody.
But then it's you're playing the blame game, and which is extremely not productive. It doesn't lead anywhere. And at the end of the day, you're not taking care of the customer. Our number one goal is always take care of the customer, always meet the customer's expectations. If we're not getting that done, you know, we're failing as an operations team, as DuraMark. You know, and SourceDay allows us to know and not only hold our customers accountable, but hold ourselves accountable in every situation.